COVID-19 to a lot of people came with its own challenges. Businesses folded while some sprung up. For Nature's Renaissance International Limited, it was a totally different story. This organization sprang up in May 2020, right in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, providing health therapy and all forms of alternative means to maintaining good health for Nigerians across board. This is the first year anniversary and a car award presentation taking place on the 29th of May 2020, which took place on the 29th of May 2021 at the Citadel Event Center, Ikeja, Lagos. The event, which was graced by the chairman of the occasion, former President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, GCFR, represented Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu of Lagos State, represented Air Vice Marshal M.A. Idris, Commandant NAFSC, His Royal Highnesses, spiritual and temporal, esteemed NRI partners worldwide, distinguished guests from across all sectors of the economy. The CEO of Nature's Renaissance International Limited, Dr. Clinton Brown, in his welcome address, appreciated every single member of the panel and, of course, every attendee at this year's event, the one-year anniversary of Nature Renaissance International Limited, for gracing the occasion. He spoke about how what could have been a totally different moment in world history birthed what he has described as a business system that supports African herbal products. This business system has created job opportunities for over 30,000 Africans in just 1 year. The business model provided a weekly reward plan that has generated over 5,000 millionaires in 1 year for both participants and employees.
NRI Limited may probably have remained only a dream today, but for unwavering commitment of the board of directors and management of the company, I appreciate your faith in the NRI vision. Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, Nature Renaissance is 1 year old today. We look to the future calmly, confidently, and courageously, knowing that no matter the storm we face, success is assured. When we started last year in the heat of COVID-19 lockdown, everything seems impossible. But we thank God that we took the bull by the horn and never were discouraged. Today, that singular decision has brought numerous joy and hope to thousands of families. It is therefore significant to title our theme of this anniversary, Cycling the World with the Wellness of African Medicinal Health. With a broader spectrum of empowering Africa and giving hope to the hopeless. It is noteworthy to say that it is this spirit of daring, the impossible, that propelled the lofty idea of African Renaissance, which has brought us to the position that we are today. This resilience also drives the integration, people-centeredness, and prosperous nature of Africa, which made her have peace. What do we do? Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Nature Renaissance International Limited a quest to regain African rich and abundant herbal medicines culture, and to use it to solve the twin problem of poverty and poor health in Africa and the world beyond.
In the year, also, Nature's Renaissance International Limited has given out over 30 cars as incentive to downtrodden Africans. Dr. Clinton Brown also appreciated every single partner across the country and across Africa. At this year's event, 24 new people were awarded car gifts. The 1-year anniversary of Nature's Renaissance International Limited has shown what a determined mind can achieve in such a very short span of time.
Said those that are within the age range of 25 to 40, they should key into this because change is important. It's no longer the time of buy this for me. You go to school, you make a research. You know that God has endowed you with some potentials, which when you make use of it, you become another great in the country of Nigeria. The era of China, India has gone. What we are talking about, products of wellness, therapy of wellness made in Nigeria, and it works because I'm a living evidence. I've tested it and it works.
I have always believed in African drugs. Look, God offered us solution to all our problems. That was why I quoted the Bible. I said, seek and you shall find, right? My people perish for lack of knowledge, and they are already investing a lot in research. That's why we are here.
Congratulations to the CEO and members, employees of Nature's Renaissance International Limited.